Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sivadas Madhavan, Associate Professor of English. Today I am going to explain SPSS. SPSS stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. Most of the time the term statistics is frightening to the students, especially the students of research in social sciences find it very difficult to tackle the problems. The term itself is frightening. And undergraduate students have to study the course statistics. When they hear the term statistics, they get nervous. It is because they don't know what it is. It is not as difficult as mathematics. It is true, statistics is the mathematics that deals with collection, analysis, and interpretation of data. And it's a must for the research students. When the research students try to analyze the data, it is an essential tool in the hands of the students. Without statistical calculations, it is not possible to make their analysis scientific. So to make the analysis and the whole research scientific, the students need SPSS. And I'm going to introduce what statistics is. Statistics is the calculations that help you to analyze the data the researchers collect. And without that it is not possible. Mathematics is an essential part of the explanation, the interpretation of data. After all, a research paper is the interpretation of the researcher. And to make it credible, and to make it intelligible, or to make it scientific, one has to depend on the statistical package. Statistical package, the computer package or the computer software, helps you to make the things easy. Sometimes a researcher who does the calculation may not know the steps or the procedures of the calculations. But the computer knows it, or the computer program knows it, SPSS knows it, and it will do. But a clear idea about the calculations cannot be done away with. You have to depend on the systematic analysis, but the computer package will help you. And that's why we depend on SPSS. And SPSS has been used invariably by the different types of research scholars. All the research scholars use it. And when did they start? Actually, the beginning of SPSS was in 1968. In 1968, in the Stanford University, the students developed it. And later, in 1976, SPSS INC was formed, and afterwards, in 2009, IBM company bought it. And afterwards, in 2009 onwards, it is known as IBM IBM SPSS Statistics. So IBM SPSS Statistics is the real name of the program that students use these days. And it has different versions. Versions 1, 2, 3 came up to, up to 26. Version 26 is the latest, I think. And I have version 21, 22, up to 24. And there is no much difference between version 16 and version 24. Maybe there is no much difference between 16 and 26 also. Exactly, I don't know what specific qualities the latest version has. So it may also be more or less the same. And it's very expensive program. It's a computer program which costs $7,960. So it is $7,960, and it's very difficult for the people to buy it. And most of the time these days, we know the students and the common people try to use the pirated versions, and that also they know how to crack it. It's available online. And no one will buy it with this much amount. But the copyright value people break everywhere. It happens even though it is not desirable. So different versions are there, and all these versions do the same thing, and you can make calculations easier and scientific. And in the beginning, it was only for the social sciences, mainly for psychology, sociology, business management, etc. But later, when IBM bought it and when it became IBM SPSS Statistics, a wider range of subjects began to use it. That means it can be used in different fields of studies. And without that, research will not be scientific. And this is the first part of SPSS, and we will come up with the next part in the next class. Thank you.